Hello, J&M Reviews here, and today I would like to review this free sample provided by Force of Nature. So it's a multi-purpose cleaner, and this is what you want to do. You want to fill up the water here to the fill line. It also comes with 5 activator capsules. So what you're gonna do is squeeze the capsules in here and turn this on. So it's on. Let me just show you. So it's on, and now it's going to start electrolyzing, as you can see here, the multi-purpose cleaner. And then all you have to do is wait 10 seconds. And then once the blue lights begins pulsating and then it goes green, then the cleaner will be ready for this bottle, and you can use it on surfaces, on the floor, just to clean around the house. I like it because it's very natural and clean. Here also it comes with instructions, and also I like it because it comes with easy steps for you to read and just clean around and read more for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you check them out. Smells very good, and I'm looking forward to cleaning my house. Thank you for watching.